Not all auto repair shops are capable of adequately handling import vehicles. Often their staff does not have the specific tools or knowledge to provide proper service. Here at All About Imports, Japanese Auto Repair is the name of the game. We provide everything from repairs to regular maintenance so that you can keep your imported vehicle in great shape. Our Japanese auto repair specialists work with the following makes: Acura, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Lexus, and Infiniti. We also provide services for all other Asian imports. So, if your Asian vehicle needs maintenance or repair, we've got you covered. Our services include routine maintenance, brake repair, shocks, and struts, check engine light service, 100,000-mile tune-ups, oil changes and tire rotations, timing belt adjustments, hose and belt repairs, compression tests on your engine, and AC repair. You don't want to trust just anyone with your imported vehicle. You want to work with professionals who are familiar with your make. That's why you need All About Imports AAIDenton, Japanese Auto Repair. Our experts have the knowledge they need to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape. We put our years of experience with Japanese cars to work when it comes to your vehicle. With us, you don't have to compromise. You get the expertise of a dealership with the affordability and customer satisfaction of a local mechanic. Our customers highly recommend us with 5-star social media customer and business rating review sites like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. We pride ourselves on our factory-level service for Japanese auto repair. Our professional technicians have years of experience with import car repair. You can rest knowing your vehicle is in good hands. Schedule an appointment with our Japanese auto repair specialists today, whether you need a quick diagnosis, regular routine maintenance, or an urgent repair. Call All About Imports AAIDenton today at 940-566-2125 or email us for a Japanese auto repair service you can depend on.